Okay, so now we see, after we have learned all the terms and vocab, we're going to do 3 example problems all together as a class. And we're going to be adding 2 numbers together because we're learning about adding base 10 blocks. And I'm going to give you all a picture and then the number, and we're going to add those together and draw the picture out. So we see in this one, we have 1 flat, and 1 flat equals 100. So we wrote down 100, and we're adding. So 100 plus 2 rods, 10 plus 10 equals 20, and then we have 5 units. So 100 plus 20 equals 120, plus 5 equals 125. So that's our first number that we're dealing with, and we're going to add 125 to 3 rods, and a rod, remember, is 10 each, 10, 10, and 10, and so 3 sets of 10 equals 30, so we're adding 125 plus 30, and the way we're going to do that is we're going to add all of these together, all of the pictures together, the flat, the rods, and the units. So we're going to come over here, and we're going to see that we have 1 flat, and that represents 100. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rods, and we know that that equals 50. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units again. So our total comes out to 155. Our next problem we're going to be doing, let's label this one problem number 2. We're going to start with this side. So we have 2 flats this time. We know that a flat equals 100. So 100 plus 100. And then we have units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 units. And we have 2 sets of 100. So we know 100 plus 100 equals 200. Plus 5 equals 205. So that's what we have on our left side. And this is what we're going to be adding to 205. We have 1 flat, 1 rod, and 1 unit. So we know that 1 flat is 100, a rod is 10, and the unit is 1. So 10, or 100 plus 10 plus 1 equals 111. So we're going to be adding 205 and 111, and we're going to be drawing a picture too. So we had 1, 2, and 3 flats. So we're going to draw 1, 2, 3, and that gives us all of our hundreds. And then we only had 1 rod, which is 10. And then we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. And altogether that equals 300. And then we have 10, so plus 10 is 310. And then plus 6 is 316. So that gives us our total answer for problem number 2. And our last problem that we're going to be doing as a class together is we're going to focus on this left side, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 hundredths. So we have 400 right here. We have 3 rods. So we know that that's 30 because we're 3rd graders. And we have 2 units, so we know that's 2. So we have 432. We're adding all of these together. And then on this side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rods. So we know that that's 40 because they're each 10. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So we know that that's 45 when we add it all together. And 432 plus 45, we're going to draw the picture because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 flats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which we see all on here. And we know that that is 70. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. And that total comes out to 477. And now that we have answered all these practice problems, I want you to partner up with the person to your left so you can solve these problems that I'm going to give you to work with. If you have any questions, please raise your hand and I will come around and answer them.